Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fikri Maulana Al-Ashrofi. Nickname is Fikri. I'm come from Tugas. I living on Bangilan. I'm 18 years old. My date of birth 10 May 2002. I am first and second children. My religion is Islam. My hobby is running, playing games, reading and playing ball. My favorite subject is English because it first my insight. I studied at the University of BOJONEGORO, which is located in the city of Bojonegoro. I started studying. I chose the mechanical engineering major because the department was in accordance with my previous insight. My mother. She is the one I love very much and someone who is very close to me. Humble and never berat someone. She is a very patient woman in any situation. Her nature is not easily jealous of her surroundings. She can adjust one's character and is good at entertaining someone sad one. And I promote my campus at Usable Marketing, Content Marketing and Geo-Optimization, make an ad on YouTube, conducting event for campus students, university promote posters, complete with tutoring, and hold exhibition. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.